Hey, what is up guys? This is Hebs. Welcome back to another video. In this video, we are at Quabbin Spring 22nd. Alright guys, so the first event is Square One, and the second event is going to be Pier Minx, which I'm actually competing in, but I don't know, I might do well in Pira, I might not. I was using two different Piras last night, but I've decided that I'm going to use the X-Band Bell Magnetic Pier Minx, so hopefully that goes well. Pira's my favorite event, kind of my favorite event, but it's definitely my best event, so hopefully Pira goes well, and then we'll go on with the rest of the competition. Okay guys, so they're announcing the start of Pier Minx right now, so hopefully that goes well, and I don't really know how it's gonna go at all. I'm kind of like overwarmed up right now. Okay, so me and Ryan made a deal that he wasn't gonna practice before Pira at all because he hates the event.
4-tip scramble.
And so he's gonna do one solve for warming up for Pira.
And in fact, it's not even a good scramble. You're just gonna make it okay.
That was a good solve.
Yeah, man.
All right, guys. So it's time for my round of Pier Minx.
Cracking open a cold one.
And let's go. All right, Jolteonics. Have any last words to say before Pira?
I hate Pira.
Alright guys, so first solve I got a 10. That's not really that good for me. So I'm not happy about that.
I got a 19, boy. Face.
But let's just hope for better on the second solve. I got about a 7.2 average, I think it was, so that's pretty good. So now I'm just gonna practice for 2x2. Alright guys, so we're about to compete in 2x2. We're waiting in the waiting area right now. What are you doing? I don't know how this is gonna go. I was averaging decent in practice and I think my name just got called. Bye.
What's your PB?
Like 1 second flat.
Really?
Yeah. I think I got a sub 1 before, but I don't remember. I'm ready.
All in shoe. Did 2x2 and it was decent, I guess. It was a very inconsistent average. My first solve was a 9, second solve was an 11, third solve was a 4, then another 4, then a 6. Anyway, so it was a decent average. It was 6.9, I think. I calculated it kind of okay. And That's a decent average for me because I average about 6 seconds on 2x2. And 4x4 is just about to start. Actually, it already did start. So I don't know when I'm gonna go up for solving that, but I'm gonna practice some 4x4 right now. All right, guys. So I'm ready to completely fail at 4x4.
Subscribe to my channel.
What's your channel? Do you want to shout yourself
RV
out?
Cubing.
RV
Everyone
Cubing.
subs to Spencer Insanity, even though I don't upload anymore.
Alright. So I'm about to completely fail at 4x4 because I stink at it. And I don't even know. That's all I need to say. 4x4, I'm terrible at it. Yeah. Let's get into the solves. No! It was gonna be a DNF anyways. It's a DNF. Alright guys, so I just finished 4x4. I got dose DNFs and it was very disappointing for me, my first solve. Let me show you guys what happened really quick. I'm gonna do this OH while I'm talking to you guys. So the first solve, I'm going pretty fast, like a little bit faster than normal. So I thought, hey, this could be a pretty good solve. I might even get under the time limit of 2 minutes. So I got to about the PLL and I had an H perm. And there was about 5 seconds left. So I was like, yeah, man, I can do this. I can do this. So fast forward to my actual solve. I'll show you guys what happened. So pretend I have 5 seconds left and I just have an H perm left. I go like this, and I continue the H perm is fine, and then when I get to here, I just stop the timer. Excuse me, what? I was stupid. I thought the algorithm was done, but then it wasn't. And at the same time, I got a 159.7, which would have been under the time limit if I would have finished the stupid alg, but I didn't. So I got a DNF. Yay! So anyways, lunch is happening now. It's the lunch period in the competition now, so I'm kind of just chilling. Then
Is it school?
It actually is a school. We're in a school, but it's not school. So I'm just chilling. I'm probably gonna practice some 3x3 because that's what's next after lunch. And then I bought this Volk M for $20. That's a really good deal because it's only on the cubicle. It's on the cubicle for $50. So it's a really good deal for me, and it's a pretty good cube. So I might actually use it in 3x3. I'm gonna warm up with it a little bit and see how it turns. I might use my Waylong GTS 2M, but I'm gonna see which is better between the two. Alright guys, I'm tired and I'm bored. 3x3 started like half an hour ago, but I still haven't gone yet because there's so many people doing 3x3 and I'm not in the first heat. So that's fun. But I should be going in maybe like 30 to 45 minutes, I hope. Probably not, but it's whatever. So I'm just vlogging because I'm wicked bored. Do you have anything to say in the vlog? Aside from that?
This competition is boring.
It's boring right now because we're not competing at all.
I'll make a cube that's called a Shang Shang Shao.
A Shang Shang Shao.
And then I'll be sponsored by Jackie Chan.
Alright guys, so we're doing 3x3 now. I'm about to do my first solve. I don't know how this is going to go. I'm kind of warm up, kind of not. But I don't know. Hopefully I can do pretty well. Maybe like a 23, 22 average. But yeah, hopefully it goes well. Okay, so I've been sitting here for probably a good 15 minutes, and all my friends have been solving like twice, and I'm still just sitting in the same seat. Oh man, this is sure some fun.
Hi!
Guys, I actually got called up. So happy. No, I'm just kidding. That should have happened like 17 and a half minutes ago. But yeah, let's do the rest of these solves. So that's gonna be the end of this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment if you did enjoy this video. So excuse my bad and short hair. I got it cut recently and I didn't style it yet because it is early in the morning. And I just finished this video. I'm filming the outro because for some reason I didn't have an outro in the video, or in my clips that I was editing. I didn't have an outro. So, I'm doing one now. Thank you guys all so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye!